Section 9. A dishwasher system that actually works. For silicone baking mats, a working dishwasher system looks like this. Mats placed upright, like a cutting board, not flat. Both sides exposed to spray. There's space between each mat, no pressure points, real drainage paths, and vertical drying with airflow. This setup removes residue instead of redistributing it. SilSpa was built around these needs. It turns a dishwasher rack into a silicone-friendly environment instead of forcing flexible mats into a system redesigned for rigid dishes. No more hand washing.